Do you want to speak English with confidence, but struggle to find the right words? Welcome to Basic to Advanced English Vocabulary, a complete course designed to help you build powerful English vocabulary step by step. In this course, you'll learn everyday English words, professional vocabulary, and advanced expressions used in real-life conversations. We cover vocabulary for daily life, home, food, work, travel, health, emotions, communication skills, and much more. Each lesson includes clear meanings, correct pronunciation, simple, real-life examples. This course is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, and working professionals who want to speak English clearly and confidently. You can learn at your own pace, rewatch lessons anytime, and practice without pressure. And the best part? This course is regularly updated, so you'll get new vocabulary lessons in the future at no extra cost. Start today and take your English vocabulary from basic to advanced level. Join now and begin your journey toward fluent English communication.